I own and operate a small video production company here in Traverse City. Most of our work is documentary stuff. We do a lot of work with different nonprofits in the area and conservation groups. Lots of different stories in the outdoor sports world and outdoor conservation world. Pretty much anything outdoors is our go-to bread and butter. Working for yourself is great and stressful and rewarding and stressful. You are responsible for the success or the failure of your company, which can be a lot of pressure. Yeah, for me, it was kind of a no-brainer to come up to Traverse City. My lifestyle is very much outdoors focused again, so if I've got free time, then I'm either out hiking or biking or surfing or sailing or whatever I can get into and weigh myself down with all the hobbies that you can have up here. It felt really easy to become part of a community at Saginaw Valley and make a quick, good group of friends. The campus is big enough where you get to meet new people all the time, but not so big that it feels isolating. And so I got a lot of experience just talking to people, making new friends at Saginaw Valley, and I think that carried over into running a business. If it weren't for SVSU and I guess kind of the open-mindedness that comes with the culture at SVSU, then I never would have gotten led to the outdoor SVSU group that I joined, which led me to filmmaking, which led me here and led me to start my own business, and I think I'm better for it.